Welcome to E-Town News, जहां आपको मिलेगा डेली डोज ऑफ बॉलीवुड न्यूज, फैशन ट्रेंड्स, टीवी एंड सोशल मीडिया से जुड़े हर अपडेट. A show which gives you the day's lowdown of all the best happenings in the world of glamour. तो इंतजार किस बात का? Let's take a look at today's headlines. क्या अर्जुन मीडिया के सवालों से बचने की कर रहे हैं कोशिश? अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म्स के बारे में क्या कहा विकी कौशल ने? सुजॉय घोष और मेगा स्टार अमिताभ बच्चन ने जूम से की कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशन. क्या मलाइका के साथ शादी करने के सवाल से बच रहे हैं अर्जुन कपूर? क्या मीडिया के सवालों से डर रहे हैं अर्जुन? अर्जुन कपूर और मलाइका अरोरा लगातार अपने अफेयर के किस्सों की वजह से खबरों में हैं. दोनों भले ही अपने इस alleged रिलेशनशिप को छुपाने की कोशिश करें, लेकिन अक्सर दोनों को साथ में स्पॉट कर ही लिया जाता है. रिसेंटली अर्जुन एक फुटबॉल लीग इवेंट को अटेंड करने पहुंचे, जहां उन्होंने इस गेम के इम्पोर्टेंस पर जमकर की बात.
खुश हूँ कि क्रिकेट के साथ साथ बाकी स्पोर्ट्स को हिंदुस्तान में बढ़ावा मिल रहा है, चाहे वो फुटबॉल हो, हॉकी हो, हम देख रहे हैं कबड्डी हो, टीवी की वजह से, यूथ की वजह से, स्टूडेंट्स की वजह से. आई थिंक द गवर्नमेंट आल्सो डिजर्व्स क्रेडिट बिकॉज उन्होंने जो मूवमेंट चालू की है. उन चीज़ों को सब कुल मिला कर अगर देखें तो ये भी एक छोटा सा हिस्सा है कम्युनिटी ग्रोथ. रूट्स इज प्रोवाइडिंग दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू द यूथ ऑफ टुडे दैट लव्स द स्पोर्ट. और फुटबॉल सबसे सस्ता स्पोर्ट है. अगर आप देखो तो सिर्फ एक फुटबॉल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और कुछ दोस्तों की. तो why not promote sport, why not promote community, why not promote culture, and why not promote just having a good time. So I'm very happy to be part in a small way. हालांकि मैं ज़्यादा खेल नहीं पाऊंगा इस बार, पर देखने ज़रूर आऊँगा. And I hope to enjoy myself, and I hope all you guys also support it and encourage it. Thank you.
लेकिन इस फुटबॉल लीग के साथ अपने एसोसिएशन पर बात करते ही अर्जुन ने जर्नलिस्ट के सवालों को लेने से इनकार कर दिया.
See you guys. Bye.
ऐसा लगता है कि अर्जुन मलाइका के साथ अपने अफेयर पर पूछे जाने वाले सवालों से बचने की कोशिश करते नजर आए. फॉर संदेश आगटे, जूम, मुंबई. रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी और नीता अंबानी के एल्डर सन आकाश अंबानी ने जहां मार्च 9 को अपनी चाइल्डहुड स्वीटहार्ट श्लोका मेहता से एक ग्रैंड सेरेमनी में शादी की, वहीं संडे को हुआ अनदर राउंड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन विद मंगल पर्व, जिसे अटेंड किया बॉलीवुड, स्पोर्ट्स, पॉलिटिक्स और बिजनेस वर्ल्ड की नामी हस्तियों ने. जहां इस सेलिब्रेशन में बच्चन, अक्षय कुमार, वेटरन एक्ट्रेस रेखा, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, जूही चावला, सोनाली बेंद्रे, शिल्पा शेट्टी, कृति सैनन, बोनी कपूर, अर्जुन कपूर और मलाइका अरोरा न्यूलीवेड्स आकाश और श्लोका को कांग्रेचुलेट करने पहुंचे. वहीं मार्च 9 को जब जियो वर्ल्ड सेंटर में आकाश और श्लोका की वेडिंग सेरेमनी होस्ट की गई, तो यहाँ सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान से लेकर मेगा स्टार अमिताभ बच्चन और क्रिकेट लेजेंड सचिन तेंदुलकर से लेकर बॉलीवुड हार्टथ्रॉब रणबीर कपूर सभी अंबानी फैमिली के जश्न में शामिल हुए. जहां आकाश और श्लोका की शादी में प्रियंका चोपड़ा, कपूर सिस्टर्स करीना और करिश्मा, टाइगर श्रॉफ, दिशा पाटनी और साउदर्न स्टार्स रजनीकांत के साथ ही कई और सेलिब्रिटीज पहुंचे थे. वहीं अंबानी की गेस्ट लिस्ट में फॉर्मर ब्रिटिश प्राइम मिनिस्टर टोनी ब्लेयर और गूगल सीईओ सुंदर पिचाई जैसी कई नामी हस्तियां शामिल थीं. खास बात ये थी कि आकाश अंबानी की बारात में बॉलीवुड स्टार्स रणबीर कपूर, शाहरुख खान, करण जौहर और आमिर खान डांस करते हुए भी नजर आए. अब आकाश और श्लोका की फैमिलीज मार्च 11 को एक और ग्रैंड वेडिंग रिसेप्शन होस्ट करेंगी. बी-टाउन के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड एंड प्रॉमिसेबल स्टार का टैग हासिल कर चुके विकी कौशल रिसेंटली लिव ऑन टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस सीजन 11 के जज बने. इस इवेंट पर विकी ने विनर्स के नाम की अनाउंसमेंट भी की. पोस्ट इवेंट विकी ने जूम से एक्सक्लूसिव बात करते हुए उधम सिंह की लाइफ पर बन रही बायोपिक पर भी बात की.
See, I will tell you about Udham Singh. It's been my dream to collaborate with Sujit sir. I'm one of his biggest admirers as an audience. So me getting to be directed by him on a subject like Udham Singh is like a dream come true to me. I'm really excited for the journey to start.
वहीं हमने ने विकी से फिल्म सारे जहां से अच्छा के बारे में भी सवाल पूछा, जिसे पहले रिपोर्टेडली शाहरुख खान करने वाले थे, लेकिन बाद में विकी के फिल्म करने की न्यूज आई और अब जिसके लिए रणबीर का नाम सामने आ रहा है, जिस पर विकी ने कुछ ये कहा।
As far as Sare Jahan Se Acha goes, it's really the prerogative of the directors and the producers to come out and give an announcement, whatever it is. So I'll request everyone to wait for that.
विकी ने टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस के बारे में बात करते हुए टाइम्स ग्रुप के इस इनिशिएटिव की जमकर तारीफ की।
I really want to congratulate the Times Group for this, for initiating this, and they've been doing it since this was the 11th season. What happens is when you're in college, that's the time when you kind of figure out what you want to do in life after your graduation or after you finish your college. And if you're getting a platform right then to kind of explore that, you know, even if it's something that you're not sure of, but you get to explore and then get to decide, it's amazing. It's amazing to have a platform that early on in your life, you know. So it's amazing that that platform is being given by Times to these kids, and they're getting to explore it. They're getting to explore their dreams, you know, their inner callings, and that's fantastic, and more power to them.
Well, Vicky, we hope आपकी आने वाली फिल्में भी बॉक्स ऑफिस पर करें शानदार बिजनेस।
This director has a knack for thrillers, and the actor I'm with is every director's dream to work with. Shujayan mentioned in an interview how during the filming, there was a time when you used to apparently give like a bad take on purpose to see if he's alert enough to catch it.
Yeah, I read about it, and I think it's wrong. It's completely wrong. I have not done that. He may have assessed that this is the way I'm kind of testing him. No, I've genuinely given a bad take. Sometimes an actor will know that it's a bad take and he will ask for another one. And there have been many occasions during the making of this film when I've done that to Sujoy. But, you know, when you work with somebody as mad as him, then you can expect anything.
And having this kind of rapport and ease that you have with Shujoy as well kind of helps to make it even more collaborative process, right?
Yeah, I think if you worked in an environment where you know the people that you work with, you know their temperament, I think it makes it easy. Many a times when you work with a new director, new producer, you spend a lot of time actually understanding each other, and all that time can be, you know, sort of be useful in spending time on the film rather than finding out what the character, what they want, what they like, what they dislike.
Personally feel that you're one of the actors who's adapted himself so beautifully with times that have changed.
Yeah,
and
I'll stop there. When you say, and I just want to correct you, when you say adapt, I'm not adapting. It is the writer and the maker who's finding something that is adaptable to me, my countenance, my age, my grey beard, whatever. I have not adapted to it.
Of course, the collections have been doing well. There's a 70% jump already. But first, Shujoy, to you. There's a good mix of critical reviews and critical acclaim that's come in, and of course, the box office is catching up. But what matters most to you?
All of it.
All of it?
I'm here for the whole thing. You know, whether it's box office or whether it's critics or whether it's the audience, I need to satisfy all this. I mean, that's my ideal, you know, case scenario.
I think a critic's job is really difficult. They are the experts. They have the expertise to be able to analyze a film when they see it in a very short span of time. We spend years, months working on it, and are unable to find that little analysis that they will come out with. And so we have to have the deepest respect for them. Many a times it's important to notice what they have said, and I would like to say that if there are points which are valid, I would like to use that to improve upon it, to share it, to make sure we don't make the same mistakes again.
The most honest feedback to you are your honest critics
Oh,
who know
okay.
the real you.
Yeah, members of the family, they will tell you straight. And there are a couple of other people who, producers, directors that I've worked with, they'll give you a very honest opinion. Because, they're on familiar terms with me, and they can, you know, tell me to get lost and things like that.
They actually come and tell you if they don't like something.
So sometimes members of the audience, and on social media, because it's so wide and varied and reaches all parts of the universe, you can get reactions from them which you
Yeah.
like to listen to.
Which are
Not all
directly
of them are sometimes complimentary. I mean, some of them are quite abusive and rude. They will notice things which sometimes you don't. So why did you do this? And I like the idea of this film being placed in Glasgow, but what we miss is its Indianness. So we talk about the fact that, I mean, how more Indian can you get than references to the Mahabharata and to Krishna and to the
Sure.
Pandavas and to Draupadi than that? Why have you placed it in Glasgow? Why couldn't you have done it here? Okay, that's a director's decision. And if you're in Glasgow, why is everyone talking Hindi? Yeah, because it's a Hindi film. I mean, what else do we speak in? When Hollywood comes and makes a film in India, do they speak Hindi? They don't. They speak English.
Yeah.
So we're okay.
Mr. Bachchan, I was interviewing Shah Rukh once, and we had spoken about, and he had told me about how when you're a star and you have a certain image, oftentimes you want to explore as an actor so many other things, but advices given to you are quite opposite to what you want to do, saying that, oh, this is going to go against your image. Has that happened to you?
I think Shah Rukh is doing things that he wants to do, which is really very marvelous for an actor to think like that. In my time, we never had the opportunity to think like that because we were dependent on what the makers were wanting us to do. So, if I'm working with, say, Manmohan Desai, and he would be listening to a story, and the writers would say, so साहब वो हीरो जो है वो इधर से आता है और सामने से 5 जो है वो विलन आते हैं और उसको फिर उनका रुक जाओ 5 कैसे होगा यार, वो पिछली पिक्चर में उसने 5 को मारा था, अभी 10 विलन लाओ. That's the kind of thinking. So you are just expanding the horizon of what the audiences are used to. I have in a sense, the advantage of age, because I don't think you can play around with that anymore. It'll have to be a very decisive, pointed role, and you can't experiment and make it look larger than life or whatever it is. It's not going to be believed. So all the roles that have come in recent times and in the past 10 years or so have been more commensurate with my age, and that's how it should be. For Shah Rukh to say that he wants to do something different and he's not allowed to because that's a very personal decision.
Sure.
But as someone that has looked at him as an actor, I have always enjoyed the ones that he's done out of the ones that he's created his image on.
Yeah.
So I loved him in Swadesh. I thought that was one of his best performances. Yeah. I love little moments that he has done in several other films, and I tell him that, and I say I like that.
One of the most interesting sort of comments that you received on social media about Badla.
There were one or two that were quite unique, like, why did they have the interval? I didn't want to go out. I wanted to stay. Nobody went out of the hall when it was interval. That's how glued they were to the film.
Normally, I get a lot of feedback from Sir's extended family. And
Like they tag you and they tell you all of that.
yeah, and I think it's a happy family right now.
A lot of times we don't see a lot of huge actors coming in a film where the principal character is a female, and it's great when people do that. What do you have to say about this?
It's an opportunity of another job for me. I don't really look at it that way. I'm happy that a big female star was there, and I was just a sidey. I don't mind that. That's good. So long as the film is seen, that's fine. I did Piku,
Yeah,
where
you
Deepika
did.
was the main person.
Absolutely.
I did Pink, where all the girls were the main people. That's fine with me.
Sure.
You need to understand that you're not pulling the audience in anymore by your name. It's the younger stars, the younger generation. They are the more popular ones. So if you have them in the film, then they bring the audience in. And then you leave it to the audience to decide. So they're not coming in because of the fact that, you know, I'm in the film or something like that. I'm not pulling the audience.
So you really
It's
feel
the younger stars that are pulling the audience. So
you said that I remember because you said that now with Deepika as well, but you really feel that you're not pulling in the audience.
please introduce me to those audiences because
Okay, fair enough. We shall agree
you
to
know.
this. I think you've rapped really well. It's giving competition to Ranveer right now with Gully Boy and all of that.
I actually saw Gully Boy 10 times to be able to match or even come near Ranveer Singh. I met him last night and I told him, thank you so much, Ranveer. I've copied you and I tried to copy you and I failed miserably. Don't ask me to do this. I don't know how to rap. I don't know what it means.
Hi, this is Sukriti from Sukriti and Akriti. You're watching What's Hot, What's Not. So Sukriti and Akriti basically specializes in the Bohemian bride. The clothes that we make are light, festive, and you can dress it up and dress it down for any occasion. Basically, like you know, we deal with organic cotton, so we stuck to the USP of the brand, and even the current collection is in organic cotton. Our cotton is made out of milk and soybean. We are inspired from rustic boutonnieres. You know, they are those floral lapels worn by grooms. So the irony is also like it's got to do with wedding wear and destination weddings. And I think the print is brown and the color palette and the inspiration of the flowers is taken from there. So I mean, we are known for our shararas and gararas, so you'll definitely see a lot of that. You'll see all our pieces in mull cotton. We've used textured cotton this time, so you'll see self-on-self texture a lot. It's definitely ivory, and we've got antique gota work on ivory this time. Of course, I think fashion in India is driven by Bollywood, especially for the mass. Like everyone wants to wear what Deepika is wearing or Kareena is wearing, or I mean, it's definitely Bollywood driven. I mean, a lot of times, a lot of pieces are good, and the minute they're on celebrities, they're hotcakes. You know, everyone, like with a brand we see, like with Sukriti and Akriti, you see that the minute a celebrity is wanted, you're going to get like 100 calls. Oh, we want the piece Kriti is wearing or Sara is wearing, and you know, I think it's really a lot has got to do with Bollywood in India. Yeah, the women that I love to dress the most, I mean, definitely for Sukriti and Akriti, Kriti Sanon is the muse. She's worn pieces quite a bit, and I think she's a perfect fit to the brand because she's tall, she's young, she's got that spunk. She's also the perfect girl next door, which fits the kind of image we have for the brand.
Coming up on the show, अब किस शो में नजर आएंगी पूजा गौर? सुपरस्टार सलमान खान ने रिसेंटली अपनी फिल्म भारत को किया रैप अप और अब वो बिजी हो गए हैं दबंग द टूर रीलोडेड कॉन्सर्ट की प्रेपरेशंस में। सलमान जल्दी इस कॉन्सर्ट के लिए दुबई रवाना होंगे और इस न्यूज को उन्होंने इस पोस्ट के साथ किया शेयर। वहीं भूमि पेडनेकर, जो आजकल अनुराग कश्यप के डायरेक्शन में बन रही सांड की आंख की शूटिंग में बिजी हैं, उन्होंने अपनी फिल्म के सेट से शेयर की ये पिक्चर। जबकि फरहान अख्तर ने अपने इस पोस्ट के साथ बताया कि उनकी फिल्म द स्काई इज पिंक हो गई है रैप्ड अप। और अब आपको दिखाते हैं विकी कौशल की डांस रिहर्सल वीडियो। पूजा गौर बनेंगी ATS ऑफिसर। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं सलमान खान प्रोडक्शंस के आने वाले नए शो के बारे में, जिसमें लीड रोल प्ले कर रही हैं पूजा गौर। और पूजा ने खुद किया रिवील अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में।
Now I'm going to be doing another एक टीवी सीरीज आ रही है. It's not Gama Pelwan, it's by the same production house. It's about मुंबई की जो ATS team है, Anti-Terrorist Squad. I'm just very excited for this show because I get to play an officer. I get to play an ATS officer. Just imagine, आपको एक्शन करने को मिलता है, आपको गन ट्रेनिंग करने को मिलती है. यू आर एन ATS ऑफिसर. जस्ट इमेजिन. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग लगती है वो फील, और बहुत ही प्राउड फील होता है हमारी पुलिस फोर्स पे. सो आई एम जस्ट वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी इन दैट यूनिफॉर्म एंड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस शो.
जहां पूजा ने अपने ATS ऑफिसर वाली बात रिवील की, वहीं मोनी सेलिब्रेट करती हुई दिखी अपना स्पेशल डे विद एकता कपूर. जी हाँ, मोनी ने सोशल मीडिया पर पोस्ट की अपनी और एकता की पिक और बताया कि कैसे वो दोनों 12 साल से एक दूसरे के साथ हैं.